Welcome to SNAutoLuxury, the ultimate destination for premium automotive content, where we bring you detailed reviews, specifications, and in-depth insights into some of the most iconic and luxurious vehicles ever built. Today we focus on a true American classic, the Cadillac Eldorado, a car that has long symbolized power, elegance, and unmatched road presence. The Cadillac Eldorado has a deep-rooted legacy in the American automotive world. Known for its bold styling and luxurious features, this model has gone through several transformations over the decades. Starting from its early debut in the 1950s, the Eldorado quickly became a symbol of prestige. With each generation, Cadillac infused it with new design cues and cutting-edge technology that captured the spirit of its era. From its sweeping fins to its long, commanding body lines, the Eldorado always stood out as a car that made a statement without saying a word. One of the most appreciated aspects of the Eldorado is its powerful engine lineup. In various generations, it came equipped with massive V8 engines that delivered smooth yet authoritative performance. Whether cruising down the boulevard or gliding along the highway, the Eldorado provided a ride that was not only comfortable but also commanding. The front-wheel drive layout in later models gave it a unique driving character, offering stability and traction that was uncommon in large coupes of its time. Step inside the Eldorado and you are instantly surrounded by comfort. Cadillac paid special attention to interior design, using premium materials like leather, wood trim, and plush carpeting. The seats were wide and well-cushioned, ideal for long road trips or city cruising. Technology was another highlight. Depending on the year, the Eldorado featured digital dashboards, climate control, premium sound systems, and other innovations that were often ahead of their time. Even today, many enthusiasts admire how Cadillac blended technology with luxury in a way that felt natural and sophisticated. In terms of exterior styling, the Eldorado has always embraced boldness. From the dramatic front grilles to the signature tail fins on earlier models and the more sculpted, refined look of later versions, each Eldorado generation reflected Cadillac's commitment to elegance and innovation. The sheer size of the car, combined with its sharp details and chrome accents, gave it a road presence few other cars could match. It wasn't just a mode of transportation, it was a rolling statement of class and success. Safety and ride comfort were also high priorities. Cadillac engineered the Eldorado with a suspension setup that absorbed road imperfections and delivered a floaty yet controlled ride. Sound insulation was excellent, allowing passengers to enjoy a quiet and serene cabin. The car was designed to deliver a sense of occasion every time it was driven, and it did so with confidence and style. Today, the Cadillac Eldorado remains a sought-after classic. Collectors and fans admire it not just for its design and performance but also for what it represented, an era when cars were built with passion, style, and a focus on the driving experience. Owning or experiencing an Eldorado is like stepping into a piece of American history, where automotive design was at its boldest and most luxurious. Thank you for watching this video from SNAutoLuxury. If you enjoyed this review and want more classic and modern car content delivered straight to you, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring more amazing automotive stories to life.